Most people who think they can't recruit or are convinced they aren't good at it or not cut out to recruit are telling themselves a story. And that story is often based on wrong assumptions about recruiting and their own ability to be successful. And since recruiting allows you to leverage yourself and create passive income, it is absolutely worth exploring why you aren't successful in building a team in your network marketing business. Hi, I'm Lorna Rasmussen. I believe everyone can have and deserves a lifestyle that they love. Mine is living here in Costa Rica. I'm committed to you having the life of your dream, whatever that dream may be. So, one of the beliefs that people have about recruiting in network marketing is that they're taking advantage of people. This is a common but totally misplaced feeling. Bottom line is you are offering them an opportunity, and if you're going through the process of recruiting properly and with integrity, you can't take advantage of people. So let me help you get over that feeling. Ask yourself, why am I involved with this company? Do I value their products? Do I like how I'm doing my business and I feel good about the process? Then ask yourself, would other people feel the same? If you answer in the affirmative, then I'd turn around and ask you, isn't it then your responsibility to share the information with them and let them make a decision, just like you did? You see, what you're doing is really giving people information, giving them a roadmap, and then letting them make up their own mind. You are not taking advantage of people. Another thing that stops people from successfully building a team is they don't feel that they've been successful, so how could they possibly help others? Remember, regardless of your level of success, if anyone has reached success in your company, the one that you represent, then success is possible. You see, it's not about you. You likely have all the knowledge and tools to help someone reach any of the levels of success because it comes down to them following a simple system and applying themselves. Stop telling yourself and everyone else who will listen the story of your failure. What do I mean by that? Well, you might be saying things like, I don't understand why I can't be as successful as fill in the blank, or I can't seem to earn what I think I should be earning, or getting straight to the point, I feel I'll never be successful. Believe me, I hear this day in and day out from people who have everything going for them and could be successful, except that's what they're thinking. Every time you say something like that, you are telling your subconscious mind to believe that you will never be successful. So you don't do the things that would make you successful. In fact, you're actually sabotaging yourself. Your past does not predict or define your future. So let's do something about it. Start by getting out of the thought patterns that are keeping you from success. Write down the story you're telling yourself about your ability to recruit and dig deep to see how it's stopping you. Now come up with ways that you can change that thinking. Then ask yourself sincerely why you want your business to be successful. Don't stop at what you thought was your why. Don't stop at the obvious reasons like making money. Keep writing until you feel you have found your calling, the reason for you to be doing this business. And finally, join me on a strategy or clarity call to experience coaching and to discuss any of the things that you'd like to get clarity around, any things that we've talked about earlier. I hope that you will continue to learn and grow in the profession I call the absolute best way for women to make money and to have an impact. And I'll see you on the next video.